Hey everyone, welcome back to Live Healthy Daily. If you want naturally glowing, healthy skin, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about the best vitamins for radiant skin, what they do, where to find them, and how they can transform your skincare routine. Why vitamins matter for skin. Our skin is the largest organ of the body, and just like the rest of our body, it needs proper nutrition to stay healthy. Vitamins help repair, protect, and nourish the skin from the inside out. Let's explore the most essential ones. The top vitamins for skin health. Vitamin C, the glow booster. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that brightens the skin, reduces dark spots, and boosts collagen production for a firmer look. It also fights free radicals that cause premature aging. Where to get it? Where to get it? Foods: citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwis. Skincare: serums and creams with ascorbic acid. Vitamin E, the ultimate hydration hero. Vitamin E keeps your skin hydrated, soft, and protected from UV damage. It also helps with skin healing and reduces inflammation. Where to get it? Foods: almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. Skincare: moisturizers and oils with vitamin E, vitamin A, the anti-aging superstar. Also known as retinol, vitamin A is a game changer for reducing wrinkles, clearing acne, and improving skin texture. It speeds up cell turnover, helping your skin look fresh and youthful. Where to get it? Foods: carrots, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, and eggs. Skincare: retinol and retinoid creams. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D helps repair skin damage, prevents premature aging, and keeps skin infections at bay. It's essential for maintaining a strong skin barrier. Where to get it? Sunlight: 10 to 30 minutes of sun exposure daily. Foods: salmon, mushrooms, fortified dairy products. Supplements: if you have a deficiency, consult a doctor about vitamin D supplements. Vitamin K, the healing agent. Vitamin K helps with skin healing, reduces dark circles, and minimizes the appearance of scars and stretch marks. It's often used in skincare to target under-eye puffiness and bruising. Where to get it? Foods: kale, spinach, broccoli, and cabbage. Skincare: eye creams and healing ointments. Bonus: skin tips. Vitamins are essential, but they work best when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Here are a few extra tips to maximize your skin glow. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Eat a balanced diet. Include plenty of fruits, veggies, and healthy fats. Get enough sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you rest. Protect your skin. Always wear sunscreen, even on cloudy days. And there you have it, the best vitamins for glowing, healthy skin. Which vitamin do you think your skin needs the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on Live Healthy Daily for more skin and health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.